Hello, welcome to Food Basket. Today we are going to prepare Gajar Aloo Sabzi. This is a very popular preparation. It can be served with chapati, paratha, naan, etc. Let us see how to prepare Gajar Aloo Sabzi. Here I have taken 2 onion, a 1-inch piece of ginger, 7 small cloves of garlic, 1 green chilli, 1 tomato, 1 potato, 2 carrots and a few coriander leaves. Let us transfer the ginger, garlic, green chilli to a mixie jar. Let us add 1 teaspoon coriander powder, 1 teaspoon red chilli powder, quarter teaspoon pepper powder. Let us add a little water. Let us grind it to a paste. I have finely chopped the onion, tomato and coriander leaves. I have cut the potato into this size. I have cut the carrots into half circles. Let us heat a pressure cooker. Let us add 3 tablespoon oil. Let us add the chopped onion. The onion is well sauteed now. Let us add the chopped tomato. The tomato is well fried now. Let us add the ginger garlic green chilli paste. Let us add quarter teaspoon turmeric powder, quarter teaspoon garam masala powder. The masala is well fried now. Let us add the chopped potato and carrots. The potato and carrots are a little fried. This is sufficient. Let us pour a little water into the mixie jar. Let us pour it here. Let us add a little more water. The vegetables should be submerged. Let us add salt. Let us close the pressure cooker. After the first whistle, let us reduce the flame. Let us leave it on the reduced flame for 5 minutes. Then let us turn off the gas. The cooker has cooled. We have opened it. The vegetables are cooked. Let us keep the cooker on the flame again. Let us dry it a bit. Let us add the coriander leaves. Let us mix it well. Let us turn off the gas. Gajar Aloo Sabzi is now ready. Let us transfer it to a serving bowl. Hope you like the Gajar Aloo Sabji preparation. Definitely try it out. Send me your feedback. Thank you. Come again. Goodbye.